So today, guys, we'll be talking about brands that can actually sign small creators. So if you're a small creator, get in here. I know a lot of small creators are always complaining that they don't have brands that can sign them or that can give them brand deals or that can give them products, PRs and all that. Let me give you 5 names of brands that will give you PRs or how do you call it, products, or sign you for brand deals, paid brand deals. Okay. Hi, my name is Sokobuchi. On social media, I teach you how to monetize your social media platforms and how to edit videos. So today is actually supposed to be our day 24 of our free editing lessons. But this is the popular question that I get: how or what kind of brands can I work with as a small creator? So I'll just put in this today. So the kind of brands you can actually work in as a small creator. Don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to share this video to all your family members. So the brands that you can actually work with as a small creator, they don't need you to have millions of followers. From 500 followers, you are eligible to work with this brand. All you need to do is send them emails. So I'll be telling you how to send them these emails and how to get to them. So the first one I'll be talking about is the White Fox, okay? I'll write it up and I'll be reading it. So the White Fox is actually a brand. This brand, it's actually they deal with trending products, trendy fashion brands. Okay, so these brands, this company can go to any trending fashion brands, and then they take products like clothes, shoes, anything, and then they come and give you, and you do videos with this. If you're getting sales, if you are getting sales, you are getting a percentage out of this. So you can actually get a percentage out of the sales you're making, and then again you'll be getting free products. Like when I mean free products, the product they'll be giving you will be for free, and this product can actually be every month. They'll be sending you products every month for you to be creating videos with this product. Okay, and these people actually, they promote products on social media and earn commission. That is about them. You promote their products on social media and earn commission. So you can promote their product on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, or anywhere, and then you earn the commission. Now, how to contact them or how to get to them before you want to sign this deal with them? You can only write them through their email. Okay, and their email, I'll be putting it up here as well under the name. The email is there. Under White Fox, you have the email like whitefoxboutique.com. That's actually the email. So you need to sign up and then you send them an email. That's the number 1. I promise to give 5. Okay, moving on to number 2. Number 2 today, I'll be talking about Princess Molly. Okay, Princess Polly. I remember the movie Princess Molly. So Princess Polly is actually another one, trending fashion brand, popular with young influencers. Did you hear that? Young influencers. So these ones, they deal with young influencers, and they don't really care if you have more followers or less followers. They just want you to post it on your social media platform. If you can get at least 50 to 100 views, it is good for them, because yeah, they don't really care. They are not these big brands looking for big influencers to work with, or all these ones with a lot of engagement on their page to work with. No, they are these people who are ready to build small creators. They want small creators to work with them, and mind you, the money is not too big. Like the money they'll be paying you, it's not too big, but the products you'll be getting from them are super good. Okay, good products, and you'll be getting many products for free. Of course, who not like better thing? Okay, apply by emailing them. So you need to email them as well, and their email up on the screen as well. So I'll be putting the name and the email up on the screen, so you can get to see the name and you can get to see the email. So you write them, copy it, please. When I paste it, just copy and send them an email. You all know how to send an email, right? If you don't know how to pitch a company, please comment in the comment section. Comment in the comment section, pitch, and I'll teach you guys how to pitch companies. So I can do a video next. The next video I might do will be on how to pitch brands, the kind of emails you can send to brands and all that. Okay, so the third one today is going to be Skims. Okay, this Skims is actually also another company. This company, very popular clothing brand. It's a very popular clothing brand, high quality clothes, faster response time when emailing, which means if you email them, they reply you so fast, and they are a big popular brand. They're actually a popular brand. These brands, You all are rushing for bigger brands that don't really send you. They don't really have your time. But these are the kind of brands you should go for, okay? Skims is one of those brands, and you can actually send them an email through influencers at skim.com. I'll put it up as well. I'll give you guys how it looks like, and then again I'll put the email so you can copy the email and go write them. So their email is actually influencers at skims.com. That is their email. These people will easily send you products every month, and you can work with these products every month. Like, they send you products every month for you to do videos, and their videos are mostly 1-minute videos. They're not asking for too much. 1-minute videos, and you can post one video of them after 1 week. Like, you can post one video per week. Like, that's a sweet deal, right? A sweet deal for people giving you products every month. It's a sweet deal. For those of you who have worked with companies, you know this is a very sweet deal. If you've not worked with a company, you might not understand what I mean by a sweet deal. But this one is actually a very, very sweet deal. Trust me, okay? Trust me, this one, okay? So, this other one is Sephora. Yeah, I'll put it up there. I don't know if I pronounce the name very well. Anyways, Sephora, Sophia, Fafaja. Anyways, yeah. So this one too is actually with them. It's actually only beauty brand. They deal with only beauty brand, and they work with small, like the smallest. I think one person told me they have been seeing them around, but they did not bother to send them emails. I don't know why. I don't know why you guys are being lazy to send brands emails. Okay. This brand is actually very sweet. I know they deal with beauty, and they're so sweet because a lot of people talk about them, and they give a lot of PR products. Like, they give out a lot of products that they give to people. Okay. Now with them, they said get instant approval after signing up. You just get instant approval after signing up on their website. So theirs is not emailing. You don't need to email them. You just need to write them through their website. So their website is, where's the website again? Okay, I'll put the website up here, hiresafi.com. I'll put it up here, up there. Okay, so everything, I'll just put the name and everything up there so you guys can get to see these brands, their names, and how to work with them. Okay, so let's go to the other one. I think this one is Glossiers. Yeah, Glossiers. Yeah, I think that's how it's pronounced. I don't know. If I don't call you rightly, please don't come for me, okay? Just correct it in your brain. Yeah. So these other ones are popular brands, like popular beauty brand. They work with beauty as well, and apply by emailing them, fast response as well. So these people too, they'll send you products. They'll send you product. You use these products to do videos with them. I don't know if you guys know how to do advert videos, but if you don't know how to do advert videos, please still comment in the comment section and ask me how to do advert videos. So I'll teach you guys how to do advert videos, because why are you a content creator if you don't know how to do advert videos? Of course. So once you get this product, you do advert videos, and them too, you can contact them through their email that is up there. They put brand@glossier.com. That's their email, which is up there. You just need to go contact them. Simple, easy peasy. Write them, and they will reply you. And you tell them you want to work with them. You're this kind of a creator. Send them your don't forget to always send them the link of your social media platform that you're using. So if you're using your TikTok, for TikTokers, use your TikTok link. If your Facebook or your YouTube link, whichever one that you're using, make sure that's the one you are using. Send them the link so they'll be able to see your page, and they'll be able to send you product. But these are brands that do not refuse influencers. No matter how small you are, they do not. They never ever refuse influencers. They always attend to every influencer, and they always want to listen to you, and they always send products to every influencer. Trust me when I say this, okay? So yes, these are the brands that are working with small influencers. I don't want this video to be long, so I think I'll do a part 2 for more brands. But for today, let's just end here, okay? Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share the video, and do not forget to ask me comments in the comment section whatever you want me to teach you. And tomorrow we'll be moving on to the next day of our editing lesson, because yeah, it was actually a 30-day free editing lesson that I promised to teach. So yeah, everybody, go and try them out today and thank me later. And when you start making money, come and say hello. Wakabuchi. So bye guys, I love you all, and I'll come back here with more updates. Ciao ciao, bye.